A flock of birds in the airport. We have special guests at our airport today.
Huh?
Hi, Bling.
Huh?
That's a feather. Oh, a feather means there are birds around. Oh, hey, birds. Where are you? Sweeties. Come out, sweet birds.
There she goes again. This is Goo, requesting permission to land on runway 6.
Okay, you may land.
Oh! Oh no! Oh, the runway's too short.
Goo Goo, don't panic. You will be fine.
Google, are you all right?
I'm okay. Jeez.
All flights are canceled until the birds are cleared off.
Oh.
Birdies! Birds look amazing in flocks.
Oh, Wiki, that's great. The amazing flocks disturbs our flight.
The birds are troublesome, but I wish I could make friends with them.
Well, yeah.
Anyway, I have thousands of feathers to clean.
She loves going after the birds.
Well, that's not quite right. Anyway, I'm off to clean.
Okay. Keep up the good work.
Why do they hate me?
Oh. Could it be? Oh, just as I thought.
Oh, so those were grains. What are you doing? You meanie.
These grains have attracted many birds to our airport. Someone must have brought these onto the airport and spilt it all over the place.
Hi, Bling and Nico.
Oh, hi.
Oh, it was you guys. Hey, Forklee, Forkloo, wait.
So the grains I spilled attracted all the birds? Oh no, so it was spilled.
The birds are stopping the planes from flying. We have to drive the birds out as soon as possible.
Do we have to drive them out? They haven't done anything wrong.
If we don't...
We have to send them on.
Oh?
For the sake of our airport, but also for the safety of the birds as well.
Nico.
Huh? Aha!
Huh?
I got a good idea.
An idea?
Oh, that's a good idea. I think Pumpy can help us. Can you?
Yes, of course.
Then off you go.
Roger.
Oh, where are they going?
Huh. Looks like they are on a picnic when the airport is being overtaken by birds.
No,
Huh?
that's not right. Look what's chasing after them.
Huh?
Huh?
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow! We did it!
They are chasing after the grains. Oh, I'll go with them. You're the best, Bling. That's so cool.
Not really.
Oh, it's excellent. You did a great job. I never thought we could do this. Not even in my dreams. Oh, it's all good now. So good. Bling's idea made me go so happy. And made everyone else at the airport happy too.